Morning, Jay Nicholas for the Oregon Fly Fishing Blog. I'm going to show you how to tie the eggs portion of this steak and eggs fly. That's this little guy right here. There are different flies out there. By the way, this is a tube. It's a Pro Tube micro tube that I cut to shorter length, and I melted both ends. Make sure they're open. And I'm going to use white thread here. I'm going to use white thread. Put a little bit of cement on there. One of the fun parts about doing this is that you do need to be careful when you're applying tension with either your thread or your chenille, because if you apply too much tension, your tube will roll on the mandrel, and that is ever so frustrating. Do two turns to the forward, then one right in the center, and then a turn in front. It gives you a nice rounded shape. It's worthwhile to tie quite a few of these. Now, it's hard, it's difficult. It is difficult to get proper hackles to make this little thing. This is a Metz. I got a package of Metz soft hackles, and that's a wonderful product. It's another case where, by the way, I'm folding, tying in by the tip, where you have to be mentally prepared to toss at least half of the feathers in the trash. Some are just junk, some are too wide, some are too narrow. 2 turns, I think I did a turn and a half, is plenty. Again, I'm being kind of careful here because I don't want that tube to spin. Finish it off, whip finish. Now I'm going to show you next, we're going to tie this fly later. Now I'm not sure if my thread broke outside or inside of my whip finish, so I'm just a little bit of insurance there. And if I did this, if I'd executed this absolutely perfectly, there'd be a little bit less tube showing in front. It won't bother the fish. Put a dab of cement there. So it's worth your while to tie up quite a few of these at first. Then here's my trailer wire and my little egg. I'm going to thread this on now. So there we have it. You have the eggs portion with the wire and the stinger hook for your steak and eggs. Next thing we're going to do is show you how to tie the fly. Thanks.